Nah, Fleebo's going tight.
Yeah.
I don't think it's that great.
Zoom in on the game. Zoom in on the screen thing. Zoom in on that.
Alright, let me drop us the third gear real quick over there.
Nah, you don't see the other one. The 1, 2, 3. You don't see
You
that.
ready? Look how fast that just shifts, bro. Look.
Yeah, nah. This is quicker. I see it now. I see it now, bro.
See it?
Just
small, the fucking guy like a bird. Because I guess it hasn't been hit for a while.
nah, this one, nah, it's not dead end.
You're a 60, man. Too quick.
Quick, bro.
Alright. Oh my god, this shifting is insane.
So smooth, bro. Yeah, it's quick, bro. Is this lighter than your other car?
I don't even know. I haven't checked the white yet. The weight yet. But it's a supercharged 2.0, man.
This is supercharged?
Yeah. I've been on tour for a while. We're famous, huh, bro?
Hype man.
Fucking famous guys.
Hype man.
Yeah. You go, bro. You go, man.
Shit, that, bro. It's gonna match with a lot of my outfits.
The car?
The red on the inside is gonna match with a lot of my outfits.
The what?
The red on the inside.
Oh, the lights?
Yeah.
Yes.
Open the door and take some
The
pictures.
seats are not red though, bro. Sorry.
Nah, bro, this is
It's black
special,
leather, bro. The seats are so fucking cool.
smell it.